Welcome to the National Oregon-California Trail Center in Montpelier, Idaho.
Welcome, folks. My name is Texas Jeff. We're going to take a step back in time. We're going to travel back to the year 1852.
The shots in one. It takes time to load and fire. They leave absolutely nothing to waste. Also, wagons do not have anything known as a shopping floor.
This museum recounts the history of the pioneers who made their way west on the Oregon Trail.
This up in the fire and crimp your hair. The second is a curling iron. Again, heat this up in the fire and curl your hair. Now, those will last the first 4 or 5 days. After that, you're tired, you're hot, you're dirty.
This museum has a covered wagon ride where you can experience what it was like to ride the Oregon Trail.
Now, I guarantee, after the ride, you will understand why folks walk instead of rode in the wagon.
As we ascend the Platte, the scenery is more beautiful than we have seen for some time.
Margaret Scott, June 18, 1852.
We came 20 miles. We struck the Sweetwater about 2 o'clock, and about 3 came to Independence Rock. It is an immense mass, covering an area of, I think, about 10 acres, and is about 300 feet high.
Well, howdy there, folks. Now, what y'all doing riding on the wagon when you walk along out there with about 2 steps?
If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on those notification bells so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.
Do y'all know what type of shoe this is? This is a workhorse Jeffers or Clydesdale shoe. How about this one?
It's much smaller.
So this one's a horseshoe. How about this one? No.
A baby horse.
No. So this is a mule shoe. And how about this one?
A broken horse.
There's much more to see at this museum. In this video, we've only scratched the surface. So why not plan a trip for yourselves and come see what this museum has to offer. By the way, they're oxen shoes.
Well, with an oxen, if you pick up their hoof, they're going to fall over on their side. Because their poor stomachs, they will then begin to bloat. Then they will suffocate themselves and die.